Hey, what's up guys? Matthew here, and today we are back in another video, and today we are collabing with Patrick.
Hi guys.
If you guys didn't know, there is a jailbreak update, a massive jailbreak update. And I haven't actually played jailbreak too much, so yeah, I think we should just get into this video and see what it's about. Patrick, are you excited?
Yeah.
So Patrick actually did play this game a little bit. And how much does the ambulance cost, Patrick?
I believe 90,000.
Alright, it's not bad. So guys, now we are just loading into the game right now. Patrick, would you like to join me?
I'm joining right now.
Alright. So
Okay, I'm in.
alright. So I'm in the yard right now. I don't know where you're at, but I'm just gonna go out the way I always do. I just rocket fuel out of that with the SWAT car. I just go right there and then just rocket fuel out.
Where are you going?
Oh, I'm going to rocket fuel out with the SWAT car. There's a noob cop out here, but I think it's alright. Bruh! Oh, that one wasn't the noob, though. This noob just don't know the meaning of life, though.
Where are you? Can I pick you up at the sewers?
I'm gonna see if I can get a SWAT car if I can.
Okay, I'll get on top if you get one. Success.
Alright.
No. Don't do this. There's a cop that is bullying me.
Why you bullying me? So guys, if you guys want to know what Patrick's YouTube channel is, say it right now, Patrick.
Patrick SKF. Oh shoot.
Yeah, subscribe to him. He makes some pretty lit Roblox videos. So check those out.
Okay, where are you currently?
Right now I'm about to go out of the jail, so I'm punching this. Oh, this lady though! I'm gonna pickpocket this noob. I'm gonna pickpocket the noob. I'm gonna pickpocket the noob. Bruh, she keeps turning around. Oh, no, they don't. So guys, actually, I got a new McLaren. It's pretty lit, honestly. I wish it was like as fast as the Bugatti, but it's slightly slower than the Bugatti, but it is a little bit, it is slightly faster than the Lamborghini. So that's good. Can you get in here? I'm just gonna take this. Oh my gosh, wait, I almost just logged out of the game, lol. Wait, Patrick, can you step out of that seat? Because my game, whenever I go forward, like it's... Oh, sorry. Get in the back, get in the back. Because, like, I can't see fully when you're right there. So, where do you want to go? Oh, that's a cop. He took your car.
I know he stole my car. You're not my dad.
Alright, wait. Motorcycle club. Have to do it. Sad. Oh. I'll just wait for one to spawn. Oh, there. Let's go. These motorcycles are pretty zippy. Yeah, they really don't. Like, guys, if you don't know what I'm talking about, like, look. Like, it's not possible. um, buy a McLaren. We can do McLaren squad. I think it's like 300,000. I think you should be okay. Oh, that's a cop. Guys, Patrick is buying a McLaren. Patrick is buying a McLaren right now for the content. Like, that earns a like and a subscribe to his channel. Where are you? I'll pick you up. I'll pick you up. I'll pick you up. Where you at? Here, buy a McLaren. How much is it? You have it. I know, but we can do McLaren. We can do McLaren squad. Boy, let's follow this guy. He just hit me. Stop it. You know, the only thing I don't really like about this is, like, there's a lot of buildings, but they don't have really any, like, open interior. Yeah, how much does it cost? Alright, here, wait, Patrick, I'm gonna give you some money to help out with that. Wait. Alright. Yeah. Wait, can my car come in here, or just only the owners? Oof. Wait, this looks so much... Yeah, I know, I was just gonna say, what the... Oh, I think I accidentally stepped out. Oh, I just fell off the side. Oh my gosh, it actually does. So guys, if you didn't know, in this new update, there actually, believe it or not, is an ambulance. An ambulance. Oh, she's talking much. Yeah, it's 90,000. I really want that so... Bro, I want that so bad. Alright, well, I mean, no. Why? I'm not sure. Let's go to the museum, see what's popping over there. Oh, that's a cop. That's a... Oh! Yeah, he probably... Oh, just drifted off the side. This car is so, like... This car is so just drifty. It's so crazy. Alright, I'm gonna... Oh my... Bro, this car is slippery. Oh, did you see that? Did you see me take that corner, though? Oh, sideways. Oh, I think someone just robbed it. No, 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 no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh my gosh, Patrick, there you are. Oh. Oh! Yeah, me too. Yeah, they should put like a fire truck here. Yeah, I really could, but it's just. Oh yeah. Huh? All right. Oh, sorry, it's locked. Get in. Oh wait, I actually went the wrong way. I keep thinking this is Pembroke. I keep thinking this is Pembroke, so I'm like putting in different gears. Oh, dead, dead, double dead. Mine, bro, mine's slippery as frick. No, dude, I was playing with this guy earlier right here. This guy, this Anthro guy. Oh! Oh, so good! Oh! I just stepped on a laser because I am just that. A guy just got in here, what? How in the world? Alright. It's the confusion of my life. Yeah, that's what I always do. Look at this dude, he's punching the air. Yeah, you're only robbing a jewelry store. Hashtag speed hacks. I need monies, but I gave it all to you. Let's go. Alright, guys, I'm really bad at this up here, so yeah, you just kind of gotta bear with me here. Oh, shiitake mushrooms! Patrick, I'm going to die because of you. Oh my, how did I do it? Look at, do you see my health though? Patrick, look at my health, alright? Look at this. How? Guys, I'm just gonna camp right here for a little bit because I'm like dying. Patrick, don't die, don't die, don't die. Oh yeah, you got this, you got this, you got this. Yeah, you're at low health too. Oh, I just hit. I hate these lasers because I never survive through them. Wait. Oh! Oh my god. Oh! Oh my god. I am in confusion. Look, Patrick.